Hey, Sculpture, welcome back to week one. This week we are going to be going over what a normal classroom or a normal classroom slideshow will look like week to week. And we're also going to be going over our very first assignment, which is going to be our sketchbook cover. And so, with that being said, usually it'll have sculpture at the top here with the week number down below. And you can see I've changed my outfit once or twice. Just like our other classroom, we will have a rainbow wall just dedicated for students who really went above and beyond, or who just created amazing work, or who just worked really, really, really hard. So there's a lot of ways you can get onto the rainbow wall if you are interested. And so we always will have the this week we will slide. So our jobs, I guess, this week or our assignments are one, we're going to sketch 5 new prompts. It's one each day, Monday through Friday. We are going to choose our own artist. I'm not going to tell you who to research, and that's really interesting. We'll go into that a little bit to become aware and involved in the art world and art history nationally and internationally. And we're also going to continue to master our art skills, which will take 10 to 25 minutes. Sketches. Essentially, what this is saying, and this is a brief summary, you can go back and read it later, is I want you to draw something every single day, but I'm not going to hold your hand and tell you what to draw. So you're going to have to draw from what is all around you, whether that's something you're surrounded with, like your pets, your family, your sports team, your hobbies, or whether that's something that social media is giving you, like TV shows, movies, music group, popular memes, or things from your own mind, like lyrics, thoughts, poems, dreams, whatever. Every day you have to draw half a page spanning from 3 to 5 minutes. So really keep to that time, and that'll just be really good for you. Okay. Artist spotlight. Just like you're choosing what you're going to sketch every day or what you're going to draw today, you're also going to be choosing what artist you want to study every single week. So just like Freaky Friday, you are going to study an artist every single week, and they are going to be a different artist every single week. But you are going to pull from an approved list of 120 artists that we've been working on over the summer, which is just over here. So here you can see a tiny bit of it, and they are artists, but they also have different professions, which I think is really unique. And so it really depends. All of us want to go into a creative career, but those who do want to pursue that don't know what side they're going to end up on or how creative they're going to be. So I've included a lot of different professions that all have to do with art. So we have animators, photographers, architects, book illustrators, environmental art, installation art, sketch artists, sculptors, painters, lots of painters, street artists, Italian painters, and this year I've also added a Black Artist Matter. And just to have a little bit more culture and to see maybe artists that we wouldn't have heard of before, and this way be exposed to them in a healthy environment. Okay. So that is our artist spotlight. Now, once you do choose an artist from this approved list, you're then going to go on to step two. Step two is you are going to answer only 3 of the 5 questions every single week about the artist that you chose for that week. And these questions range from a little bit silly to a little bit more specific. And once you do fill in those 3 questions, you can turn it into Google Classroom. There's already a document with those questions on it ready for you, and it's turn-inable, and so it's already ready to go. All right. Mastering art skills. This week, what I want you to do, if you do not have a sketchbook, shame on you. If you do have a sketchbook, I want you to decorate the cover. If your cover is a thick bound cardboard or a fabric, then I want you to decorate the first page. On your cover or first page, I want you to include at least 3 items that represent who you are. And so for me, I love to travel, so I included a map, I love art, so I included a silly little pencil here. And I also love where I came from. I was born in Maryland, and we have a rad flag, so I included the flag as well. Second, I want you to decorate the entire cover. I don't want there to be a lot of blank space. And last but not least, I want you to include your name, not only like in a tiny format, but I want it to be large on the front cover so people really understand whose sketchbook it is. And so again, just as large as you can make it in a decorative way. So don't just scribble your name and be done with it. Try to do it in graffiti letters, bubble letters, calligraphy, whatever you want. All right, guys. So again, you're sketching 3 to 5 minutes every single day. You are choosing an artist from the approved artist list and answering 3 of the 5 questions. And you are decorating your entire sketchbook cover with the rubric on the side. Good luck, and I'll see you next week.